Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I installed my crochet curly hair. This hair that I'm using today is from QVR Hair. I have their Burmese curly. This is what it looks like. I believe I have 5 packs. It's a natural 1B color and it looks like this here. So the hair is already perfectly ready for crochet. It is so cute. I love the curl pattern and it's super easy to install. So I want to show you my braid down. We'll talk about my braid down first. So I just have a regular braid down pretty much straight to the back. And I'm doing like a flip over type of install. So my hair in the back, you can be braided straight to the back and just leave out a section of in the front so that you of course can have your leave out. Now I added a net to my braid so that I can connect my crochet hair directly onto the net to make it so much easier when installing. So let's talk about how I install my hair. So the hair itself makes it really easy to do the crochet as well. So you're gonna need, of course, a crochet hook to do so. But with the net, you're just going to literally insert the hook into the net, wrap the yarn portion of the hair onto the crochet hook, pull it through once it's hooked on, pull it through, and you're just going to wrap the hair around one time and then pull it through itself. So you're making a little knot onto the net so that your hair stays. It is super easy and simple to do. You'll see me doing it throughout the whole process here. The net just makes it so much easier and more comfortable. You're not attaching them to your braids. And so it's more of a kind of a natural flow when doing it. So you'll have more of an even line across while you're going through versus if you were like connecting them to your hair. You see like your braids, there's spaces in between. So you will have hair all the way through. So essentially too, you have more space to add on the crochet hair, especially if you want to use all of the hair that you have. So I am just working my way up. There's no specific way how to do it. Literally just work your way up. You want to make sure you don't have any holes in your install, of course, so it can be even all the way through. And I was just going across, up as I went up, just straight across as I went up. And yeah, that was literally it. It's so much easier when you have a net, and you can just get the net from the beauty supply store and you're just going to sew it onto your braids. But even if you don't have a net, it's easy to do still. So this is what 2 packs of the hair looks like. It is super full. It was hard, honestly, to fit all 5 packs of the hair into my head. The net allows you to add more hair than if I just had the braids. But even with the net, it was still hard to get all of the hair onto my head. I tried as hard as I could, but I did still have like a couple of half of the pack left of my last pack. I'm just going to continue to work my way up until I completely fill up my head here. And it did take me a day and a half to do this, just because it was late when I started. So I had to continue on to the next day. But it's definitely easy. It's just time consuming. Not hard at all. Really just time consuming. So this is how the hair turned out. I absolutely love the install and a crochet look. It looks super natural and effortless. So the links for this hair is down below. Go ahead, check them out. Love it. Love everything about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.